Harry Potter Rayolada. Harry Potter Rayolada. Sa babae, we will have one winner. But dahil sa natuwa naman si Sir James, may consolation lahat ng hindi mananalo. May matatanggap din sila na cash prize. And the winner is no other than Maleficent Lori Calmotti. Ayan. 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 So yung mga runners up po natin, you can claim your consolation prize. Thank you po. Ayan yung winners natin. Okay. Palakpakan natin, Sir Dex and Sir Lori.